Who's that?
Hey, honey.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeffrey Williams at the Freestyle Olympics in Boone, North Carolina. Just give you a little example of the Olympians at work. All right? Yeah.
And he goes.
Who's your dad?
There he goes. And now, there goes Caleb. Either way. Ultimately to the left. Let me see you ski.